created so many project documentation so far for my product design portfolio, and after reviewing some of the top designers' portfolios working at popular companies, I noticed a different pattern from them to mine, and then I decided to recreate my portfolio projects and just use the same pattern as them. In this video, I walk you through my project documentation design process and how I laid out every section. Follow along with me and see the structure of my projects. If you're a design student or a junior UX/UI designer who is currently working on your portfolio, or you're creating a new one and thinking to just revamp everything, this video is absolutely for you. I promise you it's gonna be so helpful. The current competitive product design market is so bad, so you need something to show to stand out, and try to make your portfolio project the same structure as mine. Hi everyone, my name is Nushin. I'm a senior UX designer and consultant currently working at Simply Financial in downtown Toronto. By the way, subscribe to my free weekly newsletter for weekly product design updates and design tips. I'm super excited to give you the behind the scenes. Let's dive right into it. My project page starts with what it is all about. I put an image about the project in full width of the whole web page. Try to put an eye-catching, visually appealing image for your introduction. As you can see, I have a sneak peek of my color variables, and I have like digital card, art images, illustrations, and I have just the rest of my variables on the cover. Try to spend time and recreate it. I suggest you to look at UXUI featured projects on Behance and just take inspiration of the thumbnail images and really spend time and make it very beautiful and pretty. You can use device mockups and put it in a scene. There are lots of resources that you can just download them so that there is like an invitation to your project. For your description, have it in a unique and creative way. Really think about one sentence summary of your project. Avoid using regular descriptions such as redesigning Spotify or redesigning Instagram. Don't do that, guys. In one of my videos that I'm linking here from my portfolio landing page, I talked about how to write your project title and description in a detailed way, so watch that. Another thing is that you need to specify your role. If it's a group project, really what part of the project did you work on? I give a background here on this page. As you can see, I have a sticky site navigation. This is really helpful. Whoever comes to your page can just click and it jumps into that section so that they can see and have a high-level overview of what your project. On this page, I documented the context and background, the problem we were trying to solve, the solution, and the process I followed to create the design system, then the challenges and the final business impact that it had, and my collaboration. If you noticed, I don't follow the typical UX case study that start with user research or persona creation or creating journey mapping. Just be different and specific on one area of the project, only the area that you are planning to get a job in. For me, my focus is on making and showing my Figma design skills, because I love creating variables, components, and working with engineers and collaborating with cross-functional teams. That's what I'm passionate about and planning to work in that kind of area. I wanted to just tell a clear story here. In the background, I give a context of what Simply Financial is, what products and services it offers, just very high level. Next, we have the problem. It's just in one paragraph, 4 lines. I have visual prototype to show the existing website. One of the big challenges here for this project was the lack of consistency in the interface. If you're creating your portfolio, I recommend that always include a clear problem or project goals. It really helps the recruiters to understand the why behind your project, and add the visuals for context, add the before and after images. After that, I started with the solution. Talk about the methods that you use for your project and how you started the process in summary. This is very important, guys. Don't over-explain and overshare. If someone is interested in getting to know you more, they would call you and they would ask you to have a portfolio presentation in an interview call. So keep it short. Again, I broke the design system creation in these like the steps, adding the existing components and just the global elements, making the styles. I'm not gonna go over in detail. I started with UX audit and the atomic design system that I used, my method, and the component states and assets. I need to fix this part. Very simple. If you notice, all of my visuals are in the same style. They have light gray background. Try to make it very consistent across all of your visuals. Also, I have the collaboration section as well, because throughout the process I worked closely with developers and designers to test and iterate. Collaboration was key here, and as a product designer, you need to show your collaboration skill. It's really important, so I highly recommend to have that kind of section. I included the style guides, component libraries, and the implementation examples. If you're working on a similar project, remember to include before and after visuals to show the transformation. I have the challenges part as well. Tell a story about what went wrong and what you didn't like. So just try to communicate your feelings. It's really important so that hiring managers know you really value your design in the design system project. My struggle to have something that is similar as my design. Then the impact. This is the part that recruiters love to see. For this project, the development team saved a ton of time. They could build pages really faster with the reusable components, and UX design was more cohesive, leading to more satisfied customers, and in return, more positive effects on the business and conversion rates. Whenever you're adding a project like this to your portfolio, make sure that you include the results and impact of your work so that you can show you're a valuable designer. Also, the collaboration part. So I just highlighted all of the team members that I worked closely with. Try to show you're a team player and you are really good at communication. It's really important as a product designer. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share a quick tip for documenting your projects like this in your portfolio. First of all, focus on the process. Don't just show the final designs. Walk people through your steps, decisions, the challenges. Use clear visuals and break down the complex ideas into images, into simple, digestible sections. And finally, always tie your work back to business impact or the user impact. It's a game changer when you're applying for jobs. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you are thinking to add a design system project to your portfolio, leave a comment below and let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear about your process. I suggest you to watch this video where I go over my portfolio landing page. It's the same portfolio that I'm currently working on. I share so many tips on your landing page intro and the case studies or the other sections of your portfolio. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more product design tutorials and portfolio tips. And I'll see you in the next video. By the way, happy holidays, guys. Bye.